In this video, I will teach you how to make this white cat. Prepare a 1 meter long rabbit wool stick. Leave a distance about a little longer than the middle finger. If you are not sure, you can measure about 11 centimeters with a ruler. Then fold it. Then put it on our index finger and go around twice. In the first round, let's go around a little looser. This is the mouth part. The mouth should be a little more protruding than the brain. Then squeeze a little in the second round. Twist the long stick and the short stick to fix it. Then align its face with us. Pick up the long stick and put it through the 2 holes. Make its ears. Because it is a cat, the ears can be a little longer, but don't make it too long, otherwise it will become a rabbit. After the left ear is pinched, continue to make the right ear. Pick up the long stick and put it through the 2 holes. Keep the same length as the left ear. Next, let's make its nose and brain. Pick up the long stick and go around from the back of the head. Then go through the hole in the middle of the first round and the second round. That is, the hole in the middle of the brain and the mouth. In this way, the cat has a nose. This place should be tightened, then push the mouth up. Adjust the shape. It must be tightened. Then start to make the body. Twist the long stick and the short stick to fix it. Then fold its right leg out. This length depends on the feeling every time, as long as it looks good. Every time you fold a leg, you have to pinch it a little bit. Then fold the left front leg. Both sides must be kept the same length. Pick up the long stick and go around the middle of the tree. This is the length of its body. Then, let's continue to make the right hind leg. It's the same length as the front leg. Put the left hind leg in the bucket. Pick up the rest of the stick, from the front of the belly to the back of the head. Then go around the neck. After going around, put the rest of the stick behind the body. Find a place to fix it. After pinching, there are still a lot of shortcomings. It depends on the force of the force. 158. Keep pinching. The shape can be more beautiful. The first brain of the head. Let's push it up. This can make the brain fuller. Then the breath will not be pressed into the eyes. Break the cat's head up. Break down the limbs. Raise the tail. Such a standing cat. The shape came out. You will find that it is very ugly now. Not like a cat. Then you have to keep pinching. Pinch it straight. It's like giving it a bone. Take out its hairs. Its shape is now visible. Brush the hairs for extra beauty. Cut the excessive hairs. The main thing is to cut out the shape of the ears. Then cut the mouth into the shape of a cat's mouth. Cut out the neck. The empty space of the eyes can also be left out. In this way, the long hair is cut off. It won't be too messy. After fixing it, put it on the eyes and nose. Then put some blush on it. It's done.